Triggers. Let's take a look at triggers. This feature allows you to define actions to take when certain conditions on a task are met. In this video, we will create a trigger to notify the development team leader when a critical bug is created. To create a trigger, select a workspace and click on the Triggers tab. Choose a name for your trigger and double-click on the trigger name to configure how it will work. Info tab, you can choose to apply a trigger to a task or to only tasks of a certain task template. We will choose only the bug report tasks. Conditions. You can choose to have this trigger activated by using the following options. Always. Select this option when the action must happen every time. Never. Select this option when the trigger should be deactivated. If all these conditions apply, select this option to only activate the trigger when multiple conditions are met. If any of these conditions apply, select this option if you want the action to happen if any of the conditions are met. In our example, we will set up our trigger to be activated if the priority task is critical. Action. We will now need to decide what happens when a trigger is activated. The available options are Notify. Selecting this option will send a push and email notification to a Cirkus member when the conditions are met. Assign Task. This option will add an assignee to the task. Send Email. Selecting the Send Email action allows you to set up a custom email to be triggered. This includes sending emails to addresses outside of Cirkus. Click on the Email Body tab and specify the content of the email. You can include content from the task or project in the email. For our example, let's use the Notify option and select our team leader from the recipient list. Click OK, and our trigger is set up. Now, anytime a new bug is created with critical priority, the development team leader will receive a push and email notification. Our next video, Requests Workflow, shows how to combine the power of task templates and triggers to create a workflow to manage incoming requests.